Sounds great. What year is this thing?
74.
Nice.
Last year they made them.
Last year they made them?
Yeah.
Phenomenal. Where'd you find this thing? Oh yeah, AAR Cuda.
Oh, All American Racing. That's what it is. Yeah.
Oh, that's what it is.
Yeah. I was like, I remember it, but I don't.
And then those TA Challenger was Trans Am.
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, the TA is Trans Am?
Yeah. For the Trans Am Racing Series.
Yeah,
Oh.
they're both built for racing series.
Oh, okay.
Only production cars to come off the line with 3-barrel carbs.
Really?
Yeah.
That's crazy. I didn't know that. I didn't know the TA was a Trans Am.
Yeah,
but it
I
was
just
the first
remember
series.
that from watching the Trans Am series.
Yeah, because it was that was a racing series. It was developed like the Mustangs, the Camaros started, and then they started putting the Mopar was a bit late to the show, but they built the Cuda and the Challenger for it. And that's what the 340 engine was actually developed for the Trans Am racing.
Really?
It's a short stroke engine, real fast revving.
Okay, gotcha.
A real giant killer, them 340s.
Yeah.
My son had
one. They work really well.
My son had one in a 79 Aspen. It was out of a 73 Duster. And we used to go to St. Thomas and Cayuga with it there. And,
oh, really?
Yeah,
nice.
Had a lot of fun with it.
Oh, I bet.
I've owned it now for 30 years.
You've had it for 30 years? So did you do all
I found it in a barn, to be honest.
This is a barn finder?
That's a barn finder.
Phenomenal. That's awesome. Kind of, did you like OEM spec, or what'd you do to it?
Well, the car's pretty much original, but the motor, I changed the motor in it. It was a 340 car originally from Georgia.
Yeah.
And I put a 383 in it. And, well, I didn't like it, so I stroked it. And,
oh, you stroked it?
Oh, yeah.
So this
Gordon stroke.
The engine's all done up.
Oh yeah, no, rear wheels 600.
Well, it sounds like it too, right?
It goes pretty good.
Yeah, it goes pretty good. Have you taken it to the track at all?
No. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay. What do you run? What are you running?
Well, on the street tires, I'm getting about 12.1 with the slicks on. I'm doing about 11.8.
11. That's not bad.
No,
that's not bad at all.
I just took the slicks off and actually put these tires on.
What kind of what's the tranny on it?
A 4-gear.
A 4-gear. Okay.
It's a original 4-gear.
Yeah.
Got a 391 Dana rear end.
Nice.
But it's a roller engine too.
Yeah. Okay.
I didn't chrome it.
You didn't chrome it?
No, when I got the engine, it was all chromed up, and I said,
yeah.
If it don't go, chrome it.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. 100%.
It runs pretty good.
That's awesome. You gonna do anything else to this baby?
Oh, I got to get some paint work done on it.
Yeah.
This was painted 28 years ago, 29 years ago.
How many kilometers on the body?
29,000.
29,000?
29.
Or is it miles? Miles. Oh yeah, miles. American car then.
Yeah, come from Georgia.
From Georgia. Then so did you pick it up in Georgia?
No. Like I say, somebody bought it and brought it up, and it was a domestic, and
one of those, eh? Yeah.
And she called a buddy of mine up, and I was looking for a Cuda.
Yeah.
I had a 70 346 pack.
Yeah. Oh really?
And I got rid of that.
I
still kick myself for selling it.
Would you rather have the 6-pack than this thing? This one?
Not now.
Not now. Yeah. Fair enough. Oh, that's awesome.
No, it's.
How long did it take you from the bar find to get it to this condition?
Well, I was in the body shop 2 years.
2 years in the body shop.
Yeah.
Holy.
And then I had the 340 in it.
Yeah.
And I ended up selling the 340 out of it.
Yeah.
A guy, I don't even know if he's here. He's got this motor's out of a 68 Coronet GT.
Wow.
Like a Super B.
Yeah.
And I got the motor from him, and I took it, and it wasn't really what I wanted. So
yeah.
I kind of freshened it a little bit.
Yeah, just a little bit, eh?
Yeah.
No, so you stroked it to a 383, or was it?
No, it's a 383 motor. But I just stroked it.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Nice.
Bored it out, put a different crank in it.
Yeah. How's it on gas?
It isn't.
It isn't good at all, eh?
It's not miles a gallon, it's gallons in the mile.
Gallons in the mile, yeah, fair enough. 91? 91?
Oh yeah, it won't run on regular gas.
It won't run on regular gas, okay, gotcha.
No, you gotta kind of put octane boost to it too.
From the front, eh?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Nice.
But like I say, if it don't go, chrome it.
Yeah.
But this thing will go.
Oh, I believe it. Look at all that. 2 years in the body shop, eh?
Yeah.
2 years.
It took a while.
Did they take it off, like they took off the body, the whole thing?
Yeah, I was kind of shocked. I went to look at it.
Yeah.
But part of it's here, part of it's there.
Oh, you got a flag? Oh,
Don't hit the car, please.
nice. It's a cool car, eh?
You're lucky you caught a parachute.
Yeah.
I got one.
That's awesome.
You want to go in the wagon now, or you want to walk?
What's up?
Come over here so Daddy can come.
Wherever the food thing is.
Come over
Food
here.
donator.
Whoa. Okay.
What's that Holly? What
It's a
do you
780.
It's a 780? Yeah. And I think it looks appropriate for the motor. Some guys
Well,
they
that's
go
why-
the huge one, right? Like,
I could put a bigger one on it, but
yeah.
this one here has had a little bit of work done with the Holly, so
Yeah.
it works pretty good.
The gearing, like you more for like bottom end torque, or you more high speed highway kind of thing. Like when you're cruising,
It cruises,
it cruises good.
but not. It's not fuel efficient when it's cruising.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh.
I put a tarantula Edelbrock intake on it, so
Yeah.
but it's all painted up.
Yeah.
It just doesn't look tough.
Oh, it
I
sounds tough when we're rolling in.
I wanted to keep it as original as I could, so
Yeah. Well, you can only do so much. There's a balance, right? Performance and then keeping it,
oh yeah.
OEM. But awesome, thank you, appreciate
No
it.
problem. Okay, hey, you have a great day.
Yeah, you too.
Right here.
Huh? Just YouTube. Who's this Barracuda? That's yours? What year is it, man? 8. 68? Nice. That's clean. Numbers matching, or what's, no? What'd you got done to it?
360.
360? Original motor? Or you swapped it up?
318 was the original motor, so
Yeah.
we swapped it out for a 360. It's got a cam.
Nice. Oh, it's got a cam, and it probably sounds real nice then, eh?
67 front grille
Yeah.
because it looks nicer
Yeah. Okay.
than the chrome one.
Yeah. Where'd you pick this baby up?
Fantastic motors.
Okay. For how much, if you don't mind me asking?
Good sizable chunk.
Good sizable chunk. Well, it looks clean. Like, it's a black car too, right? There's no swirls on it, so I know it's taken care of.
There's swirls on it.
I don't see them.
Trust me.
I don't see them. That's great. When did you pick it up recently?
2 years ago.
2 years ago? Yeah.
64 Plymouth Fury before that.
Yeah. Oh, did you get rid of that thing, or you still got it?
I got rid of it.
Oh, okay. Looks clean underneath.
It is.
Holy.
It was born blue.
It was born blue. Yeah. Okay.
Somebody down in Ohio decided to change it.
Oh, it's an Ohio car. Fair enough. I'm surprised. This is it's a survivor in my opinion. It's from Ohio, right? Technically, it's a salt. What do you call that? The salt belt?
Salt belt.
Salt belt, and this thing survived. Oh yeah. So I'm assuming you're gonna keep this forever.
Money talks and bullshit walks.
Yeah, fair enough.
Anything's for sale, son.
Anything's for sale. How much would you let this baby go for?
62.
62,000? Okay. All right. Fair enough. Well, that's great. You from around here?
Innisfil.
Innisfil?
Yep.
Oh, so it's not a bad trek. That's not a bad trek. This thing good on gas?
No.
Not really? No?
It was an 850 Edelbrock.
Oh,
Or a 750.
850, 750. That's a big boy. Holy.
It only needs a 650, but
Okay.
I'm not gonna fuck with it.
No, 100%. Jeez. That's a big one.
Yeah, it's got a 360. Yeah, I think I said that.
Yeah. That's crazy.
360 is a better motor. Anyways. It's thicker walls.
Yeah. So, yeah. Gotcha.
Solid end.
Nice. You sticking around for the whole thing?
I am so.
Are you? I'll catch you rolling out then.
All right.
Thank you. Appreciate it.